Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Dan, and I've been cutting cabochons and making sterling silver jewelry for about 15 years now, but I'm very new to making videos, so bear with me while I learn the process, and I promise I'll get better as I make more of these. Thanks for watching. Let's get the camera angle set up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a jump ring maker that simplifies the arduous task of making jump rings. This handy tool will save you time and effort while ensuring every jump ring is perfectly uniform. So if you're looking for an easy way to make a lot of jump rings quickly, I'll show you how to do it with this tool. Included with the tool is a set of mandrels with a base, a cutting box, a coil winder, a circular blade, a blade arbor, and a blade shroud that fits over the Fordham flex shaft handpiece. The cutting box, blade shroud handpiece, and the coil winder are made from machined aluminum. The mandrels and blade arbor are stainless steel. The coil winder comes with a base which can be secured to a bench with wood screws, but the screws aren't included with the kit. Most of the mandrels have a hole drilled near one end which allows you to secure the wire for coiling. Just insert the wire in the hole and turn the crank to start. I use my thumb to keep tension on the wire, but you can use a bit of leather or cloth to hold the wire as well. Anything that allows the wire to slide through while maintaining tension. Once you have a good length of coil, snip the wire from the ends, pull the coil from the mandrel, and you're done. Next, you'll need to set up your Fordham with the blade arbor and the blade shroud. The blade shroud should be placed over the Fordham handpiece before installing the arbor and blade. It's important to remember that the arbor set screw is standard thread direction, so you want to run your Fordham to spin in the opposite direction to keep the arbor set screw from loosening during the cutting process. The teeth of the circular saw blade need to point in the direction of the spin. Always remember to turn off your Fordham when making adjustments to the blade and arbor. After tightening the blade arbor in the Fordham chuck, use the cutting box plate as a guide to position the blade shroud so that the blade is in the center of the cutting plate slot. Then tighten the set screws to secure the shroud to the Fordham handpiece. Be sure to check the alignment of the blade in the cutting box plate after tightening the set screws. Again, always remember to turn off your Fordham when making adjustments to the handpiece and blade arbor. The next step involves placing the coil in the cutting box and clamping the plate down onto the coil. Here, I've attached the cutting box to a piece of wood that I can easily hold. This allows me to maintain control of the cutting box while keeping a safe distance from the blade during the cutting process. Place the coil in the groove of the cutting box underneath the plate towards the left side. I find it's best not to have the coil butted up against the stop of the groove. Now it's time to tighten down the cutting box plate. The posts on either end of the cutting box have springs that maintain upwards pressure on the plate. This upwards pressure ensures that the plate remains in place and does not shift when the coils are cut. Make sure that those springs are in place when tightening the knurled nuts on the cutting box. It may be difficult to tighten the nuts down, but you must tighten them until the plate is making contact with the coil, securing it in place. After we make certain that all of our tool components are securely tightened, we're ready to cut the wire coil. Be sure to lubricate the blade with beeswax or blade lube before starting. Since the blade is set up to spin opposite of the arbor set screw, we need to pull the handpiece from right to left when making the cut. Place the blade into the cutting box plate slot before spinning up the fordham. Slowly move the handpiece from right to left along the cutting box plate while maintaining even downward pressure. And that's it. You've cut your jump rings. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned a few things. Let me know in the comments down below. I want to remind everyone to always exercise caution and wear eye protection when using this and other power tools. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Thanks for visiting my studio.